was long. Gear up, boys, where we belong. Feeling Luke Lee, tactical might. Weekend warriors, ready to fight. Got the camo on, the vest is tight. Red dot sight, shining brightly. He's got the intel.
It's that time of year again, a Halloween event at Warzone in Coventry. We attended this year, finally, after a 2-year break due to weather and illnesses, but we are back. This is a montage of the evening as it started around 3 PM, did not finish until midnight. A lot of footage was cut due to being just way too dark to see anything, but we will say we had an amazing time. Definitely on the cards again next year. With that said, here's what happened. Hope you enjoy.
I'm gonna go high.
You going high?
Boat.
I'm gonna go up high.
I know, I can see him. Near me. Oh, my face is on. I'm moving upstairs. I'll turn that on.
Phil, need to come down, downstairs only. Yeah.
I'm told to get to put my fucking sling on.
Man down. Man down.
I'm behind you. I'm behind you. There's shots.
Other side of that car, 2 behind.
Say again. I wish it was thermal. Should have brought that thermal scope.
I was just thinking that, you know.
We've got light straight down.
Definitely covering that car. Luke, be careful, mate, because they're coming to that right.
My laser's off massively.
So there's someone near tubes, I'll look at it. Throwing grenades that way.
Yeah, marshals keep throwing grenades, smokes all over the place.
They're on the second floor, they're infected.
They're allowed to as infected.
The infected are allowed on the second floor.
Seen on the second floor, it's infected people.
Roger that.
I've got red light underneath the water tower, just gone left to right to left.
Which one? The small round one or the big water tower building?
Look upstairs on this one, do you know?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, thank you.
I swear there's movement there. Problem is, I can see people moving, but I don't know what team they're on. Where are they? Inside?
Yeah. That window, second one through, all the way through. Not in that building, the building on the other side of the track.
On the other side?
Yeah, yeah, so straight through.
Left?
See that window there? Yeah?
Which one? That one?
Yeah, the one that's more.
Yeah.
You look all the way through, there's another window. Literally in there. Yeah, someone's just gone in the casino. Why's that van rocking? Is someone having a good time?
I'm fucking stuck. On the corner of the house. My 12. Yep. The house. That one, yeah.
Could be upstairs. Back corner.
Bottom right. Not so far.
Yeah. Say look. Sorry, pal. Got it.
I need the BBs. Huh? I need the BBs.
Oh.
Ooh, God, that's slippery. I'm on my knees. I think they know where I am. There's one on my left, on right.
round. This shit. Lock them up. No. He's done. He's done. Fuck, it's
Fucking boy.
There's a mag here.
Coming out!
Drop smoke. Alright, that's nice and thick. Yeah, go, 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 go.
Where's Kieran gone?
Kieran?
Oh shit!
Looks fucking hell.
Oh my god, you dickhead!
Have to go down low. Watch it.
Yeah, it's